Abbottabad district of Hazara. Abbottabad exudes a vibrant culture that reflects the fusion of diverse influences from its history. With its breathtaking landscapes and warm-hearted people, the district offers an enticing blend of tradition, history, and modernity. The people of Abbottabad are known for their hospitality and strong sense of community. The region is home to various ethnicities, including Pashtuns, Hindko speakers, and others, which adds to the cultural tapestry of the area. Traditional customs and values are deeply rooted in their daily lives, and family bonds hold significant importance. Festivals and events are celebrated with great excitement. One of the prominent aspects of Abbottabad's district's culture is culinary delights. The district is famous for its mouth-watering dishes, such as chapli kebabs and spicy minced meat delicacy, mutton kadai, a delectable dish cooked in a wok with spices. These flavorsome offerings showcase the richness of the local cuisine and are a treat for food enthusiasts. The historical significance of Abbottabad is a matter of pride for its inhabitants. The city of Abbottabad is named after Major James Abbott, who played a vital role in its early development during the British colonial era. The region holds remnants of various ancient civilizations, including Gandhara civilization. Moreover, Abbottabad is renowned for its educational institutions. The prestigious Pakistan Military Academy, where future officers of the Pakistan Army are trained, adds to the district's significance and has an impact on its culture. The presence of numerous schools and colleges promotes a focus on education and intellectual growth. Religion and spirituality hold a special place in the lives of people in Abbottabad. Mosques and shrines are scattered through the city, providing a sense of spiritual solace. Abbottabad has several public and private hospitals and medical centers offering wide range of medical services. The major public hospital in the area is Ayub Teaching Hospital, which serves as a tertiary care center and provides specialized medical treatments and surgeries. It is also associated with Ayub Medical College, a renowned medical institution that educates and trains the future healthcare professionals. The city's medical facilities cover various medical specialties, including general medicine, surgery, pediatrics, orthopedics, and more. Patients can access diagnostic services, laboratory testing, imaging facilities, and emergency care in the hospitals. In conclusion, Abbottabad district of Hazara division is a treasure trove of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Its people, with their warm hospitality and strong sense of community, contribute to the district's vibrant culture. Abbottabad district stands out as a unique and captivating destination that continues to inspire visitors and locals alike.